My name is Trent Almond. I'm the president and owner of Modern Concrete Materials in Beaumont, Texas. We started in August of 2019. It's kind of all been a whirlwind, and a lot of factors have played into our success and growth, and having a team of people that have tremendous amount of experience in the ready-mix business and materials business, specifically in this market, has been a big part of our pretty rapid growth.
We call it the Golden Triangle, Southeast Texas. We have 6 ready-mix operations in this area. Typically, it's wet a lot. It's got a lot of soft ground. If it ain't wet, it's the heat. 100, 110, 115 today. It limits the time that you get loaded and get to the jobs. Everything's got a time limit. We do a lot of industrial work over here.
The conditions that we operate in, it's a very tough industry, and we're a customer service business. We're a delivery service. When somebody calls, they need something and they need it at a specific time, and that's what we try to do. It's a testament to the people that work in this industry every day, the guys that are driving the trucks, the guys that are batching the concrete, the quality control, the sales reps. They're the guys that are every single day getting up at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. There's a whole lot of variables that come into play when you're delivering a perishable item like concrete. I would say that there's a lot of mixers on the market, but Contec far and away is one of the best. As far as ease of loading, you don't ever have to worry about slowing down your plant in order to load a truck. And whenever you're talking about a busy day in the ready-mix business, you're measuring seconds. It all adds up over the course of a day, a month, a year. That's a huge advantage of Contec, is to load a truck fast, discharge in the same sense. It makes a huge difference.
These Contecs, it's a good product. It holds up. We put it through some tough stuff day in, day out. I feel like it's a good body. The concrete flow's good, like the design's good. They hold up really well.
Well, I think they've got the mixers where, as a whole, the mixers are easy to operate. They've been built to where they support the efforts of your drivers. We just haven't had any complaints about them.
Everything is just there for you. Your control's a lot easier. You can spin up as fast as you want with a throttle of a toggle switch and the lever, compared to electrical boxes that you have to sit there and keep on pushing to get it going. And with a lever, it's automatic.
I like that the drum is a lot bigger. You can rev, discharge a lot faster and slow it down a lot faster with the knob. The holes in the drum are pretty good for running the more wet loads, the water loads, slurry, grout, flow fill, those holes serve a pretty good purpose.
Contec has thought of a lot of safety features, from their locks on their chutes to the ladders when you climb up. It's just all a huge benefit to us, because at the end of the day, nothing we do is worth somebody getting hurt.
The chute stop safety feature, especially for anybody, for whether it's a contractor or the driver. So when you open up your chute, it actually stops 3/4 way, so then you can situate it and then push it up and then let it down softly. It won't shut on their fingers.
You got the handles that's on the back, easy to get up and down on the step. Yeah, I like the aluminum chutes, the way they're set up. They're lighter, easier to carry. The vertical setup, you can take them off real easy, put them back on real easy.
Our shop personnel are very happy with the level of service that Contec has provided. They've got their warehouse over in Houston, and they'll run us a part in the middle of the night if we ask them to, if it's that important to us. Their level of service and dedication, I think, parallels ours, which is why we get along. We've got very similar business ideology. How can I solve a problem for somebody? That's far and away the most important aspect of the service they provide.
I think that Contec has always stayed to the basics of what made it successful and what works in the industry. Contec feels strong about relationship. And I think that's something that is hard to find in today's market, in today's world, and so we have a lot of trust and confidence, and I think that's very much in place, going all the way to the manufacturing facilities and how they operate on the manufacturing floors and how they put it together and assemble it. We want to create an image and a reputation here that people trust and are proud to have us in their community, and we want to be a big part of the community. And just a good fit for us, and we're very excited about it and very proud of the decision. We think we made the right call.